All right, Evan, tell me about this helicopter.
Well, I built it and then it stopped for about a month. And I kept building it.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's done. Jeez, this thing's huge. Alright. Now, let's open that. And the winch. Which takes a while.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal. Oh, there it comes. Or, no, it's getting wrapped up again. Look up inside there. It's a little tangled there.
Oh,
So here, I'll hold it. Now you unwind it, I guess. That way. There we go. So you gotta hold it, and then that'll work. That's cool.
normally
There's the gears
doesn't
in there.
need
Look at
it.
that. I got the gears going. Nice. So we could go rescue people with this or something. But you gotta have some weight on it. Okay, good. Yeah, look at
Oh, jeez, this thing is so heavy.
that. Okay, show how the rotors turn.
Right, you gotta watch out for this, because...
Whoa. Yeah, there we go. Counter-rotating props. Or rotors. Very nice. And that is Evan's super helicopter.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, look, the back door opened. Check that out. And then, of course, there's this thing.
That's upside down.
Oh, it's upside down. Oh, excuse me. Oh, we can hook... Oh, there you go. Hook on your load, your basket for catching people or whatever. Or heavy machinery.
Here we go.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm going to lift that up.
Alright, let's go unveil it.